Student, today I am going to solve some question of chapter number 2. Name of chapter number 2 is Change in Profit Sharing Ratio. And under this chapter I am going to teach methods of valuation of goodwill. There are three methods we all know. Goodwill is an intangible asset and is subject to constant change, so it is very difficult to value goodwill precisely. There are following methods. First method is average profit method. And second method, under average profit method, we will solve the question based on simple average profit method. Second is weighted average profit method, and second method is super profit method. Third method is a capitalization method, and under this capitalization method we have to calculate goodwill by capitalization of average profit and capitalization of super profit. So student, let us see the question based on all the methods one by one. So first we have to read the question based on average profit method. Let us see question number 6a. Following are the profit of the last 3 years. 2017 rupees 40,000, including profit on sale of land rupees 5,000. In 2018 rupees 50,000, including rupees 10,000 loss on sale of machinery. 19 rupees 45,000, excluding rupees 5,000 payable for insurance premium. Compute the value of goodwill of the firm on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profit of last 3 years. So let us see the solution of this question. This question is based on average profit method. Question is saying average profit of last 3 years. 6a. In 2017, profit of the year is 40,000. In 2018, profit 50,000, as you can see. And 2019, profit is given 45,000. Now student, in 2017 including profit on sale of land, so it will deduct 5,000 from 2017 profit, and therefore regular profit will be, this is called regular profit. Regular profit will be 35,000. Because 5,000 is not a profit, it is a gain, and this is not a regular profit, so we have to keep this profit under abnormal profit, and when abnormal profit is included, it will deduct from that year. Now in 2018, including rupees 10,000 loss on sale of machinery. So when we deduct, see, this is also a non-recurring nature, not in recurring nature, not in regular, so it will be added 10,000 in this year, and total profit of this year will be 60,000, because this is abnormal loss. Now student, in third year, 5,000 payable for insurance premium, it is excluding. So now we have to deduct 5,000 because not consider insurance premium in this year. We have to consider it because this is our expenses, so it will reduce our profit, and we will write 40,000. So total profit of 3 year will be, total profit of 3 year will be, by adding this 1,35,000, and we have to calculate goodwill by average profit method. So we will see goodwill equal to, formula will be total profit of 3 year by 3 into 2, and we can say average profit into number of year purchase. So our average profit will be 1,35,000 divided by 3 and into number of year purchase. So number of year purchase will be 2. It is given in question, 2 years purchase. So our answer will be 90,000. This question is based on average profit, simple average profit method. Now I am going to solve other question based on weighted average profit. Now student, question number 8a, this is based on weighted average profit method. Compute goodwill of the firm on the basis of 3 years purchase of weighted average profit method. The profit of the last 4 years were 2016 25,000 and 2019 38,000. The weights assigned were 1, 2, 3, 4. Following information is supplied to you. In 2018, a major repair was made in plant incurring rupees 10,000 on 1st July, which was charged to revenue. The said sum is agreed to be capitalized for goodwill computation subject to depreciation at the rate of 10% per annum on reducing balance method. The closing stock of 2017 was overvalued by 3,000. So let us see the solution of this question. Suppose I am going to put item in a format. This is particulars and profit of for 2016 rupees profit of 2016 25,000 is given, and this is weight for 2016 is 1. So product will be 25,000 only. Now profit for 2017, this is 30,000 given, but overvaluation of closing stock will be less because this is written more than, so I will deduct overvaluation of closing stock 3,000 and it will remain 27,000, and weight for this year is 2, so product will be 54,000. Now profit for 2018 is also given, rupees 24,000, and in 18 question is saying there was a plant incurring on July 1st was charged to revenue, but plant is, we all know, capital nature, so we will add repair charge. $10,000 and total will be 34,000. Now student, depreciation will be less, so I will deduct depreciation on 10,000 for 6 months because it has been calculated charge purchase in July. So at the rate of 10% per annum, it will be 5,000 and total depreciation will be 5,000. And now we will also add closing stock $33,500 plus 3,000. Then it will make 36,500 because this closing stock was also in 2018. It will be opening stock. You all know closing stock of 2017 is treated as opening stock of 2018. So it will deduct in 2017 and add in 2018. Now I will put the weight, and now it will be 1,09,500. Profit of 2019 is also given. Profit of 2019 is given 38,000. So now depreciation will be charged in this year because this is reducing balance method, and remaining balance of plant will be 9,500 and depreciation will be 950. So it will remain 37,050, and when we put weight, then total product will be 1,48,200. Now student, total product will be 3,36,700. Now weighted average profit will be 3,36,700 divided by 10 because total of weight will be 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 10, and weighted average profit will be 33670. Therefore goodwill equal to G by W means goodwill. Goodwill equal to number of year purchase is given 3 years. So I will write 3 into 33,670 and it will be 1,01,010. So this is your answer. Now let us see question based on super profit method. Now student, let us see question number 14 based on super profit method. The capital of the firm consisting of partner A and B was 1,50,000 on 31st December 2016. They had rupees 20,000 as reserve on that date. If the goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 42,000 on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit and 10% was considered as fair return, find the average profit earned by the firm. So first student, we have to know the formula of super profit. So let us see the formula. First we have to calculate average profit of the firm, and we all know average profit equal to total profit divided by number of year. Then we will calculate normal profit. Second, and normal profit equal to formula will be capital employed into rate by 100. Then in third we will calculate super profit, and super profit equal to average profit minus normal profit, not net profit, normal profit. And last we will calculate goodwill. Goodwill equal to will be super profit into number of years purchase. So this super profit method based on 4 steps, and we have to calculate goodwill by this step. But in this question, it is goodwill of the firm was valued 42,000 on the basis of 3-year purchase is given of super profit, and we have to find average profit. So we will go in this question from last step, because goodwill is given. So answer will be goodwill of the firm is 42,000. So according to question, 42,000 equal to super profit minus number of into number of year purchase, and number of year purchase is given 3 years. Therefore super profit equal to will be 42,000 divided by 3, and it will be 14,000. Now student, capital is also given. Total capital of firm will be capital employed, it is called capital employed 1,52,000 plus 20,000. So it will make 1,70,000, and rate is 10% given. Now therefore normal profit equal to we all know capital into rate by 100. So capital will be 1,70,000 into rate is given 10% divided by 100. So it will be now 1,700,000, 17,000. Now student, according to question, super profit equal to formula average profit minus normal profit, or we can write super profit we have calculated 14,000 equal to average profit not given, we have to find, minus net profit normal profit 17,000. Therefore average profit will be 14,000 plus 17,000, it will be 31,000 answer. So this is the process and method of calculation of goodwill. I will meet you in next video with capitalization method, and this video is making for revising purpose of chapter 2. I have revised chapter first, and we will see next video for capitalization method. Thank you very much.